Line, just get it across the street.
The address of your emergency.
Hi, yes, I'm at Main Event Entertainment in Highlands Ranch. We just heard gunshots from inside the building. We just heard gunshots from the building. Everybody's running.
Okay, do you know how many people are involved?
4 David 34, 6 David 31. Copy a shooting at the Main Event.
6 David 31. 4 David 34.
64 Centennial Boulevard, the Main Event Entertainment Center. Again, 64 Centennial Boulevard. We have multiple callers advising there's screaming and shots were heard. Gunshots from inside the building. Another party advised someone walked in and started shooting.
Copy your unit number, your muscle.
3 I'll be around good 3. David 41, quick traffic. Shot fired.
Hey! Drop the gun! Drop the gun now! Drop it! Shots fired.